What if I told you that mind control and thought reading was possible, not only in movies or books, but in real life? What if I told you that we are so much more closer to it than you can even imagine? In the future, your grandchildren will no longer be human. Instead, human 2.0. Let's look at 3 experiments conducted in the past 10 years. Dr. McGill Nicholas from Duke University has been studying monkeys, the most similar animals to humans. In 2003, Dr. Nicholas taught a monkey named Aura to play a game. Aura was taught to move a cursor into a circle by manually using a joystick. Every time she did, she was rewarded with a single drop of orange juice. Once she became an expert, the joystick was removed and a set of devices were implanted into her brain, which were commanding a robotic arm. She was then told to play the game again without a joystick. She could move the cursor by simply looking at the screen and telling it to move. If you zoom out of the picture and see what's happening here, a biological creature is controlling a machine by simply thinking it. Part 2 of Dr. Nicholas's experiment was to create a sixth sense, the sense of touch, without actually touching. Just as Aura, another monkey was taught a different game. A set of devices were attached into specific centers of the brain, primarily the touch center. He was taught to move a virtual arm on a screen without any joystick. It was his brain directly commanding the virtual arm. The game involved 3 circles, which contained 3 different sensations of touch: jagged, smooth, and soft. When the monkey maneuvers the virtual arm above a circle, he feels the sensation as if it was real. If you step back and look at this, you would see that a machine is sending artificial signals to your brain to make you feel something that does not exist. If this did not shock you, then the next experiment will. Dr. Phil Kennedy and his team from NeuroSignals built a machine which taps into your brain to read your thoughts. Once this device is planted into your brain, the machine speaks the thought out loud. The machine isn't able to process complete sentences, but can process simple words. Oh, wait, I think Tim has a question for us. Instead of asking Tim his question, let's just read it in his brain. Ah, great question, Tim. All this means is that when you grow old, your grandchildren will be playing video games with their minds. There will be no need to move a single muscle to change the channel. Direct brain-to-brain communication with animals will be possible. Paralyzed patients will be able to move again. We will be able to talk on the phone without actually speaking or hearing sound waves. Speaking will no longer be necessary and will occur telepathically. Now, I think the big question to ask here is this ethical? Is it acceptable for others to access your brain? Will new laws emerge for the privacy of your thoughts? Is there any danger associated with such technology? All these questions cannot be answered, Tim, until if it's the right time. The whole world is about to change. The word human will be redefined. A sixth sense will be born. Your grandchildren will be a part of a unique society, a society where we evolve into human 2.0, half human, half machine. Thank you.